What if I told you that some of the most successful people on YouTube don't actually exist? They don't have cameras, they don't have expensive studios, and they never show their faces. Yet, they are quietly pulling in 5 to 6 figures every single month while they sleep. You see, the old way of doing YouTube is dying. You no longer need to be a celebrity or a charismatic speaker to build an audience. In 2026, we have entered the era of the ghost creator. While everyone else is complaining about saturation, a small group of elite creators is using a silent system to build digital empires from scratch. Today, I'm breaking the silence. I'm giving you the exact, step-by-step blueprint to launch your own faceless YouTube empire in less than 24 hours, using nothing but 3 specific AI tools. This isn't just a tutorial. This is your capital blueprint. And stick around until the very end, because I am revealing the 2026 algorithm hack, a secret that forces YouTube to push your content to millions of viewers, even if you have 0 subscribers. Phase 1, niche selection. This is where 99% of beginners fail. They pick a niche they like, maybe gaming or lifestyle. But on YouTube, if you want wealth, you don't pick what you like. You pick what the advertisers pay for. This is called high CPM. We're using Perplexity AI to find our gold mines. Don't just ask it for ideas. Give it this specific command. Analyze the YouTube ad market for 2026 and identify 5 emerging niches with a CPM over $30 that can be visually represented using high-quality stock footage. We are looking for sectors like AI-powered finance, longevity and biohacking, or space logistics. Why? Because these niches attract high-paying advertisers like banks, tech companies, and luxury brands. 1 view in the finance niche is worth 50 views in the comedy niche. Pick your battlefield wisely. Once you have your niche, ask Perplexity for 10 viral-ready video titles that create extreme curiosity. Phase 2, the script. This is the engine of your channel. A boring script is a death sentence for your retention graph. To keep people watching for 10 minutes or more, we use a psychological trick called the gap theory. We open a curiosity gap in the viewer's mind at the very start, and we promise to close it only at the very end. When you use ChatGPT or Perplexity for your script, do not ask for a summary. You need a narrative. Tell the AI, write a 12-minute storytelling-style script. Start with a shocking revelation. Every 2 minutes, introduce a new secret or a pattern interrupt to reset the viewer's attention span. Avoid robotic corporate language. I want it to sound like a documentary narrated by a master storyteller. Remember, your script needs to feel like a journey. It should provide massive value while keeping the audience asking, what happens next? Phase 3, automated production. This is where most people get stuck, editing. But you're going to automate it. We are taking our script to InVideo AI. This tool has reached a level of sophistication in 2026 that was unimaginable just 2 years ago. Input your script and give the AI these master instructions. Generate a cinematic 4K video. Use high-octane documentary-style clips. Apply professional dynamic captions in the center of the screen to maintain visual focus. Add a deep, authoritative male voiceover with natural pauses. Within minutes, the AI will scan millions of premium stock clips, sync the audio, and layer in a professional soundtrack. If a specific clip doesn't fit the vibe, don't spend hours editing. Simply type in the chat box. Make the scene at 5 minutes more dramatic, or replace this clip with a futuristic city drone shot. You are the director. The AI is your entire production crew. Phase 4, the gateway. You can have the best video in the world, but if they don't click, they don't watch. Your thumbnail is your storefront. For this, we use Leonardo AI. We aren't looking for generic images. We want hyper-realistic visuals that stop the scroll. Prompt Leonardo with something that creates a wait, what? Moment. For example, a cinematic 8K shot of a mysterious hooded figure in a dark vault surrounded by glowing holographic money charts, high contrast, dramatic orange and teal lighting. Once you have that high-quality image, take it to Canva. Add 3 words of power text, something like, "They lied to you," or "The end is near." Use bold, contrasting colors. Your goal is to make it impossible for someone to scroll past without feeling a surge of curiosity. Finally, the secret hack I promised you, the momentum cluster. In 2026, the YouTube algorithm is smarter than ever. It doesn't want to see one good video. It wants to see a dedicated creator. Here is the hack. Upload your first 3 videos in your niche within the same 48-hour window. This sends a massive signal to the algorithm. It forces the system to categorize your channel and start testing your content against the perfect audience immediately. It's like jump-starting a dead battery. The blueprint is now in your hands. You have the tools. You have the niche. You have the strategy. The only thing missing is your action. Will you build your empire, or will you stay a spectator? If you want my personal AI prompt library to speed up this process, comment Blueprint below. Subscribe to Capital Blueprint HQ to stay ahead of the curve. The empire starts now. I'll see you in the next one.